My name is Dexter Morgan, and it's going to happen soon. Again and again. Has to happen. There he is, Mike Donovan, upstanding teacher and choir director. He's the one. I've had my eye on him for some time now, waiting for him to show me his dirty little secrets. My dark passenger wants me to take action now, but I have to be careful. I have to be sure. That's the code my father taught me. Rule number 1, don't get caught. What are you hiding? Looks like Donovan buried something here. A child. Donovan is going after the boy. That's it. That proves Donovan's guilt according to the code. But I can't leave these bodies here. That building looks like a good spot to set the stage. It's Donovan's Thursday night choir recital. While he's alone, maybe I can get close to him and find a way to take him down.
What was that? Is someone playing a trick on me? Kids, come out. There's no time for pranks. This isn't funny. Hello? What was that? Is someone playing a trick on me? Kids, come out. There's no time for pranks.
Donovan's keys. A silly thing to leave lying around. He won't be needing them much longer. But thanks to Donovan's carelessness, I'll make sure our first meeting will be a private one, and our last. You're mine now, so do exactly as I say.
What do you want?
I want you to be quiet. Now drive. I know this isn't how you plan to celebrate a good recital, but you need to open your eyes and look.
No!
Look at what you've done. Look or I'll cut the eyelids right off your face.
Okay, I'll do it.
It took me a long time to get these little boys clean. One of them had been in the ground so long he was falling apart. I had to pull him out in bits and pieces.
I couldn't help myself. I couldn't. Please, you have to understand.
I can't help myself either. But children, I could never do that. Not like you. Never. Ever. Kids.
Why?
I have standards. Soon you'll be packed into a few neatly wrapped garbage bags, and my own small corner of the world will be a happier, neater place. A better place.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Too many mistakes like that and I'll end up behind bars. Or worse. Better than having the key. Well, now I have to start all over again. Hopefully no one saw that. Usually I expect to do much better than that. Fortunately, I'm not one for self-recrimination. Not good. Not good at all. That was perfection.
Ocean Motel, and I need you here. Okay? Dex, I'm in room 106. Please? Pretty fucking please with cheese on top?
There's something strange and disarming about looking at a homicide scene in the daylight of Miami. It makes the most grotesque killings look staged, like a new and
Dexter, I have reports to deal with right now. Besides, your sister wants to talk to you in room 106. About what? I have no idea.
I've never seen such neat, clean, dead flesh before.
Just a minute, socio. You're gonna want to see this.
Not now, Dex. I'm tagging ahead.
Dex, they found another hooker. At least they think it's another hooker.
Another one, huh? Hazards of being on the streets at night. You don't know who's out there doing bad things.
Asshole! There's a woman out there cut into pieces and wrapped in butcher paper like a bunch of pork chops. Third one in 5 months.
Third? He's been busy.
Hell yeah, we got a serial killer, bro. The other two were up in Broward County, chopped up into bits and pieces too, and they say there's no connection? Any drooling moron could see that these kills are connected. But that bitch LaGuerta won't listen to me. I'm ready to get out of this sex suit and into the homicide division.
Homicide, huh? That would be a great step for you.
Lieutenant Bubbleass won't even let me interview my girls. Trust me, they'll never talk to those detectives.
LaGuerta? She's my boss too. I'll do what I can to help.
Don't be so fucking dense on me now. You know what I need, Dex? Ideas. You have ideas about these kinds of murders.
All right, let me take a look, and in the meantime, avoid LaGuerta and talk to Captain Matthews. Ask him to put you on the case. But keep the sex suit on. It'll help your cause.
I can't talk just yet, Dexter. With what is on the warpath today, I'm wondering what the problem is.
Yo, Dexter. Saw your sister. Damn, looking hot.
I wouldn't know, seeing that she's my sister.
So, why are you here?
It's a crime scene.
But you do blood spatter.
Right, so how can I help?
You can't help, not without blood to analyze. And there isn't any.
No blood, there's always blood.
Yeah, there's no blood in or on or near the body at all. It's the weirdest thing you ever saw. No prints either.
That's interesting.
Go talk to Angel, if you can figure out what's bugging him. He's got some more juicy bits. Info, of course, not the body. That's dry. Bone dry. Get it? I said bone.
I will, thanks.
I can't talk just yet, Dexter. With what is on the warpath today, I wonder what the problem is.
That's it. Stay in control, and no one will suspect a thing.
Dexter, it's a nice surprise to see you here this morning.
Can't keep me from a crime scene.
Nice to know you were thinking of me. But in case you haven't heard, there's no blood evidence at all.
I heard about that no blood thing. Any leads?
Well, Angel found a cut on the body that wasn't complete. The killer started to slice into the leg, but didn't cut all the way through.
If I were you, I'd focus on a witness around here somewhere.
It's at least something to go on. Listen, Dexter.
I should head back to the lab, evidence to process and all that.
Not a drop of blood in the body or anywhere on the scene. Nada.
The question is, how does the killer get rid of the blood?
It's hard to say. Body's in good shape, though. Nice, neat packages. Head is over there if you want to take a look.
This is unique and very clean.
Yeah, but he didn't finish. No terminó.
Looks pretty completo to me.
No. He cut the left leg in 4 pieces, like he used a ruler. But look at this cut on the right leg. He started his last cut and then stopped. Only 3 pieces. It's possible that he was interrupted before he could finish.
If I were you, I'd look for a witness around here somewhere.
That's the idea. Hey, Dex, ¿dónde va?
No blood, no trabajo. This one's all yours. I may not be able to escape who I am, but I can do my best to not let those around me see behind the mask. I need to feed the dark passenger, or he'll consume me.
Where the hell you been?
It's none of your business.
Listen, freak. You have a job to do, and I would love to tell the lieutenant that you aren't doing it. Now tell me about these. The hotel cokehead murders, the dealer, and the girl.
Who do you like for this? It's obviously a big mess, so I doubt you're looking for a professional.
You know it doesn't help to tell me the obvious, right?
What was it you wanted me to do?
Your job, psycho.
I'm sorry, Sergeant. Let's cool off. What specifically do you need from me?
That's your analysis? It's messy, not a professional? Well, thank you, Sherlock fucking Holmes. You solved the case. I guess there's nothing left to do except invite you to my nephew's bris.
Valid point.
Write your report already. Scribble this down. Rival dealer came in, 2 scumbags slashed to hell, dealer stole the drugs. Wham, bam, done. That's what happened, and that's who I'm looking for. We're looking for a thief dealer. You got it?
Okay, sure, I guess. But I should analyze these crime scene photos in the lab.
Then get over there already, freak. I need it quick.
I'm on it, Sergeant. The only real question I have is why, in a building full of cops, all with a supposedly keen insight into the human soul, is Dokes the only one who gets the... Hopefully no one saw that. Usually I expect to do much better than that. My dark passenger won't be satisfied. The dark passenger won't see anything. My dark passenger won't be satisfied. Hopefully no one saw that. Fortunately, when it comes to sex, the actual act, I'm not interested. It all seems so undignified. But
Dexter, perfect timing. Aster and Cody are at the babysitter for the night, so I'm ready whenever you are.
Great. Where are we going?
I was hoping you'd surprise me. If you don't have any ideas, though, I was thinking we'd head down to the beach. There's this nice little crab place I've heard about.
Sure, I'll try anything once.
Great. Thank you, Dexter. It's so rare we get a chance to go out at all, especially just the two of us.
Yeah, it's definitely important to get out there and do stuff.
It's not that, really. It's just, it's been over a year since what happened with my ex-husband, and I feel like I've spent that time either working or being a mom. Sometimes I forget who I am without all that. Maybe I'm just in a rut.
We can't have that. Let's go have a good time.
Thank you, Dexter. I really appreciate you being so supportive. I've been thinking lately about us and about how patient you've been. Are you happy with us?
Yeah, I'm happy. Are you?
I am. It's just, this may sound strange, but I wanted to thank you for understanding why I haven't been interested in a lot of things. There aren't many guys who would be as patient as you've been. Sometimes I worry that you'll get bored and move on.
I know how bad things were for you with Paul. I'm not going anywhere. So take all the time you need.
Thank you. That means a lot. I haven't said it in a while, but I'm glad to have you in my life. Are you ready to go?
Sure. Needless to say, I have some unusual habits, but all these socially acceptable people can't wait to pick up hammers and smash their food to bits. Normal people are so hostile, but not Rita. Looks like a crime scene. They might need me.
Oh. Okay.
For your own safety and appetite, you should stay here. Don't worry, I'll be right back.
Son of a whore.
I prefer Dexter.
I'm talking about this hijo de puta, this maricon savage who makes us work on a Friday night.
I think this girl would rather be someplace else too.
It's a Friday night. I have my needs. So, ¿cómo estás? What are you doing here?
Saw the police lights. I was in the neighborhood on a date.
A date? Nice.
We have the same pattern, which means it's the same guy.
Bone dry. No blood again. Pero mira aquí. There's some small differences in the cuts this time. Over here, rough, almost emotional. Then over here, not so much. Then over here, clean.
Without any blood, it makes my job easy.
Look at this hip joint. The top of the femur is all bone. The killer flayed the skin, the flesh, completely off. Now why would...
He's clearly experimenting, trying to find the right way.
Well, here's a surprise for you. He took the head. I don't find it anywhere here. God knows what he's doing with it.
Well, Angel, it looks like you have a mystery on your hands, and I'm going back to my date. Wish me luck.
That's awful, Dexter. Will they catch him soon?
I'm sure they will. Killers get caught. That's the way it works.
I hope so. If he leaves a clue, I'm sure you'll find it.
The bodies have no blood. I wish I knew how he was doing it, but I can't figure it out.
There's no blood in the body? How?
I've got no idea. I wish I did. He's got everyone running in circles trying to figure him out, including me.
Dexter, please. You sound like you admire him.
I don't mean to. It's just that his work is so very...
Dexter, he's a serial killer. You're supposed to catch him, not study him. It's late. I should go. Good night. Thank you.
You're welcome.